This is where you can see the paint still stained. It goes down here across the aluminum. But I had a leak here for the longest time where the air conditioner tube came through the wall of the house. And I just couldn't figure out how to fix it. I tried caulking, I tried everything. And finally, I fixed it with a piece of stainless steel 90-degree metal, and that was it. So let me show you how I did that. And here's the solution. You can see the air conditioner pipe and this piece of flashing. I got a couple screws in there. It's mostly held on by butyl caulking. It's sloped back this direction so the water runs away from the pipe. And if you're going to use screws or whatever, make sure you understand what's behind the wall. Again, you don't want to drill into your air conditioning pipes, electrical, water, whatever. It could be deadly. Anyway, there it is. Needs to be painted, but for the last several years it's kept the water out, kept that drip from occurring. Here's another application of that stainless flashing to keep water out of things. It used to be that I was getting water down inside here all the time, and bad situation, right? It was corroding the internal works of the plug, and had to fix it constantly. So anyway, what I did was put up flashing, and again, it's mostly held on here with the butyl caulking. And this is a stucco wall, so I had to clean up the concrete, smooth it out so that everything would stick on there nicely. I did use screws, but again, if you don't know what's behind the wall, don't do it. And this plug has not given me any trouble now for several years, so it is in a covered area, but when it rains hard, water will come up through those cracks. It'll blow up the roof and run down the wall, as you can see. And it used to get in here, but now it hasn't been an issue for many years.